looking at the Nike LeBron 23 Masked Menace, a performance-focused release inspired by one of the most iconic moments of LeBron James' career. The design takes cues from his Miami-era black mask, translating that energy into an all-black, minimal look built around attitude and function. Up top, the engineered upper blends mesh with synthetic materials to balance breathability, durability, and flexibility during hard cuts. Inside, a full-length ZoomX foam drop-in midsole delivers responsive cushioning for explosive moves and repeated impact. Support comes from a carbon fiber shank plate that enhances torsional rigidity, paired with the Crown Containment System for a secure, locked-in feel. Ventilation is handled by Nike Torch material on the tongue, while the ankle lining uses Nike Sphere fabric to help manage moisture. The collection also includes apparel, highlighted by a Masked Menace tee featuring tour-style graphics. Release details remain unconfirmed for 2026 at this time, but most probably by March 2026. The retail price is $210.